Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Trini-style split pea soup. First, let's talk about soaking your split peas. This crucial step helps them cook evenly and much faster. You'll want to soak them for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. For every 1 cup of dried split peas, use about 3 cups of water. This simple preparation makes a big difference in the final texture of your soup, ensuring a creamy and smooth consistency. Once your peas are nicely soaked, it's time to cook them. Drain the soaking water and place the peas in a large pot with fresh water, ensuring they are covered by about 2 inches. Add some key aromatics like 4 cloves of crushed garlic, 1 chopped onion, and 2 pimento peppers for that authentic Trini flavor. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for approximately 1 hour, or until the peas are incredibly tender and begin to break down. Now for the magic that creates that signature creamy texture. Carefully remove about 1/3 of the cooked peas and blend them until smooth. Return this creamy mixture to the pot with the remaining whole peas. This combination gives your soup both body and a delightful texture. Next, it's time to season generously with about 1½ teaspoons of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a sprig of fresh thyme. Don't forget a dash of green seasoning for that authentic Trini taste. Almost there, let your soup simmer gently for another 15 minutes. This allows all those wonderful flavors to truly meld together, creating a rich and harmonious taste. If the soup appears too thick for your liking, simply add a little hot water until you reach your desired consistency. Serve this comforting Trini-style split pea soup piping hot. It pairs perfectly with fluffy rice, warm roti, or even some soft dumplings. Enjoy your homemade, flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.